In this video, I will show you how to update Google Chrome extensions. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To update your Google Chrome extensions or check for any available updates, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and then hover over extensions. Now on the submenu that comes up, click onto manage extensions, which is going to take you to your extensions page. From here, you're going to see all your currently installed extensions, but you can see there's currently no option to check for updates or update these extensions. Now to enable this, what you want to do is first of all turn on developer mode. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see developer mode just up here. What you want to do is turn the switch on, and once you've done that, you're going to see some options appear in the top left hand corner, including a update button. So once you've done that, just click the update button. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner, this is going to check for and update any extensions, and you're going to get a confirmation which will say extensions updated once the extensions have been updated. So that is how to update Google Chrome extensions. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.